Okay, here we'll look at accessing list items in Python. So they've given us an example here. Let's run that. So here I'm creating a list with 3 string elements. Remember, I can print this list. So here I will run that code, and then I'll say print this list. I run it, and I see, oh, and it changes the quotes. It doesn't really care about which quotes we use. They're all equivalent, so it changes them to single quotes. All right, now what they show us is that we can print this list at index 1. Remember, we start at index 0, so that banana should be index 1. And again, when we print strings, it drops the quotes. So here, if I print the string apple, it drops the quotes. Okay, so some of that stuff I think can be like a little bit weird to look at. Okay, and remember we can use negative indexing just like we could on strings. So -1 would be the last item. If I run that, I see that that's cherry, whereas the first item, or the index 1 is banana, index 0, if I run that, is apple. And that's just like we saw with strings. So here if I print apple at index 0, that'll give me the A. If I do 1, that'll give me that first P. If I do -1, that'll give me the E. -2 is maybe a little clearer. That'll give me the L. Okay, next up, let's look at changing list items. So where we could access things before with the indice, if we put that on the left-hand side, we actually can assign it a new value. And for this homework, we're not going to get into changing a range of value items, or actually on that access page, we're not going to get into working with a range of indices. We'll do that a little later. Okay, so let's look at some examples of changing the value in a list. I'll use that cut to get rid of some of these existing boxes. All right, so now I've got my list here. I'll add another box. And what I want to do here is I want to modify index 0. So I'll say the list at index 0. I want its new value to be high. So if I run this code, that's funny. It says name error. The list is not defined. Sorry, it should be this list. Probably that happens to you all the time too. Okay, this list is high, and now if I print this list, what I get is that value has been overwritten. I can't get the apple back because I didn't save it. Similarly, I could change index, using negative index. I'll change that cherry to say hello, and then when I print it again, it's been changed to a hello. So the big idea is when something is on the left-hand side of an equal sign, we're assigning it a value. And here we're we're assigning the variable this list to the value of that list on the right-hand side. Here we're assigning the value at index -1 inside the list, this list, to the value hello.